Hello guys, this is Mama Delicious. Today I'm making pancake and I'm going to fill it with sardine. These are my ingredients. I'm using raw egg, 2 raw egg, sardine, baking powder and wheat flour. You can use any flour. This is my olive oil. You can use vegetable oil. And this is my salt for taste. And this is the milk I'm using. You can use any other type of milk. Now I'm measuring 2 cups of wheat flour. This is 1. Now I'm measuring 1 teaspoon of baking powder into my flour. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk into my cup. Then I will pour half cup of room temperature water into my milk. Then I will stir it. Now I will mix the baking powder and the flour. Then I put a pinch of salt into it. And I mix them all together. Then I will beat it. Then I will add the beat egg into my mixed flour and baking powder and start stirring it. I will start stirring it. Then I will add milk into it, small. Then I mix it. I mix until it's well smooth. When stirring it, it will not be thick. You make it light like this as you see me raising it up. It mustn't be thick. Now I put my frying pan on the fire. Then I pour small olive oil for fry. Small. Then I pour small quantity in the frying pan. I spread it around. I spread it and leave it on fire for 5 minutes. I will turn it to the other side of it to done. And see it. Now I will mash the sardines together with the oil. I will mash them together, mix it together for the filling. Now I'm filling it with the sardine, mashed sardine. I put it at the center of the pancake. The quantity you need, you can put more than this. Then I fold it all together. Now the pancake is ready. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.